Okay, so now you have not you note down this both means you note down this aim. What is today's aim? And first of all, uh, I'll give you here introduction. Okay, and basic information about the metal and non-metal, and then we will going to perform practical. Okay, so now my dear students, note down the aim. What is the aim? Quickly take out your book and note down the aim. What is the aim? And then we will move on further. So write aim to study. Okay, now can you tell me what is the aim? I hope you all are remember what is the aim because of in seventh standard you studied. I was taught you that time. Hello. Okay, so now note down the aim to study the reaction of metal and non-metal to study the reaction of metal and non-metal. Am I audible all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now start writing here. Aim to study the reaction of metal and non-metallic with a dilute hydrochloric acid and a dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, again I repeat. You want to repeat all? Hello, dear. Again I repeat all. To study the reaction of metal and non-metal with a dilute hydrochloric acid and a dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, so now here we have done the aim. Okay, so now can you tell me what is a metal and what is a non-metal? How we identify this is metal and this is non-metal things, objects, whatever you say. Hello, am I audible? My hello, hello, my dear girls. Hello, am I audible? All, Rafat sir, Rafat sir. Okay, he is not replying. All my dear girls, I am audible. Why you are not replying? Hello, my dear girls. Am I audible? Hello. Can you listen me properly all what I am telling you? Hello, my dear girls.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, what do other girls? So I want what is a metal and what is a non-metal? What is a metal and non-metallic? You have to give the information about these both particles. Hello. Hello, my dear girls.
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग गर्ल।
Yes,
પછી
ma'am.
હા ડેલિશા,
Yes, ma'am.
પૂછ્યા તમે બેટા? હા બેટા, મને જવાબ દો છો તો તહેજીબ સરને કેમ નથી દેતા? હા?
મેમ હું એકચ્યુઅલી વોશરૂમ ગઈ હતી હમણાં જ.
ઓકે ઓકે ઓકે, કાંઈ વાંધો નહીં. ચાલો હું કહી દઉં છું. હા, આજે લેબનો લેક્ચર આપ્યો છે હો બેટા તમને લોકોને.
ઓકે મેમ.
અને એક રીઝન.
So can you tell me what is the difference between, first of all you give me the information about the matter and then you give me information about the non-matter. Yes, Devalisa, say beta, what is the difference? Means, okay, now first of all, tell me what is a metal?
A solid substance.
Okay, a solid substance, but any special characteristics?
What, sir?
Any special character? Okay, Sara,
It is.
Makani Sara, Makani Sara. Can you tell me beta, what is a metal and non-metal? Are you there beta, Makani Sara? Makani Sara, are you there? Okay, now any other? What is the metal and what is the non-metal? Okay, Devalisa, tell me beta, your concept. Okay, my dear girls. So now I'm going to present here the experiment. You have to write this all. My point. So first of all, note down the aim. Aim you have done all.
Yes, sir.
एम लिख एम लिखा आप लोगों ने.
Yes.
Okay, now note down the apparatus and material. Note down the apparatus and materials which material we want. Okay, now first, can you tell me what is means what is the difference between metal and non-metal substance? Can you tell me what is the difference between metal and non-metallic substance? Hello, Sachin.
Yes, sir.
Beta, what is the difference
Yes.
between metal? You know what is a metal or non-metal?
Sir, metal is gold or not metal is not gold.
Yes. Okay. Very good, beta. Well tried. Okay, it's the best example of a metal. Okay, metal is okay. You say properly, but properly definition. I want what is a metal and what is a non-metal. Okay, now can you say difference between metal and non-metal? Okay, so note down this. What is the definition? Means what is the metal and then we will move on further. Okay. Okay. So metal is what, my dear students, metal, a solid material, as say about a means as per se Delisha. Okay, जैसे Delisha ने बताया वैसे it's a solid substance which is a typically hard, shine, malleable, flexible, and ductile with the good electrical and the thermal conductivity. Okay, understood what I am telling you all. A
Yes,
solid
sir.
material, a solid material which is the typically hard, shiny, malleable, fusible, and ductile with the good electrical and thermal conductivity. Iron is example what iron as per Tathir say gold is correct answer. Gold, silver, and aluminum and alloys such as steel. Is this all what? All what, my dear students? A matter. You got my definition? Understood all? Now, an element are a substance that is a non-matter. Okay? Means its characteristics is a non-metallic. Means जिसके characteristics metal जैसे नहीं है वो सब substance क्या है? वो सब substance नॉन मेटल है जिसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक डक्टाइल इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी नहीं है ओके शाइनी नहीं है तो वो सब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स नहीं है जिस सॉलिड सब्सटेंस पे दैट ऑल आर अ नॉन मेटालिक सब्सटेंस ओके नाउ now my dear students you note down the apparatus and materials and then we will move on further okay then we will move on further. So now, can you say me what is this thing in front of you? Okay, now can you tell me what is this all? Can you tell me what is this all? What is this in your camera all?
Test tube.
Test tube. Yes, yes, very good. What test tube further? Test tube. टेस्ट ट्यूब फैन ऑफ कर टेस्ट ट्यूब के आगे कुछ है थोड़ा सा टेस्ट ट्यूब बट क्या टेस्ट ट्यूब टेस्ट ट्यूब से बेटा यस यू आर करेक्ट टेस्ट ट्यूब बट व्हाट टेस्ट ट्यूब का थी can you tell me beta what is this test tube further what but test tube stand what my dear students test tube stand and then is the test tube stand
Sir, your voice is not coming clear.
okay I'm trying to improving my voice okay now it's coming properly all hello
Yes, sir.
okay now can you tell me what is this in a test tube stand
What, sir?
what is this in a test tube stand test tube
Test
only
tube.
what okay
Test
test tube very good okay now can you tell me what is this actually it's what all actually it's a glass plate what my dear girls it's a glass plate
Glass
or glass
plate.
watch. Okay, and
Yes.
now this is for the beaker. What all? It's
Beaker.
the beaker. Okay, now it's the test tube holder. It's what test tube holder. And what is the
Test
use
tube
of test
holder.
tube holder? What is the use of test tube holder?
To hold the test tube.
Yes, to hold the test tube. It's see, this is too much means a much more a test tube. Okay. Now can you say what is this?
It is like to. I don't know that name, but I know that.
The forceps. What? Forceps. Okay. Whenever we have a taking hot thing, so by the forceps we are taking easily. Understood? By the forceps we
Yes.
are taking easily. Okay. Got my point, all. So now,
Yes.
just a minute, beta. Okay. So now, listen everyone all. Today we are going to perform. Again, I repeat, it's the all instrument in front of you all. It's all apparatus and all things are in present in a science lab. Okay. So, my dear students, today we are going to perform reaction with a non-metal means study we have the reaction of metal and non-metallic with a dilute acid means dilute hydrochloric acid and a dilute sulfuric acid. What is this all? Can you tell me? See, this is two beaker. It's called what? Beaker or flask. See, in front of you, what is this? Is beaker or flask?
Beaker.
Yes, yes, beta, correct. It's a beaker. Okay. First of all, you note down the all things, means apparatus, you note down apparatus and materials. Which apparatus and which materials we want in this practical. Okay, what I am telling you, which apparatus and which materials we want, you note down these all things. So now start typing in apparatus and materials. In apparatus and materials, you know, note down, my dear students. First is what? Test tube stand, test tube stand, test tube holder, test tube stand, test tube holder. Again, I repeat, test tube stand, test tube holder. Then after dropper. What?
Water
Then
dam.
after what? Dropper. DROPPER dropper. Okay, beta Delisha.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Okay. Now again I repeat which type of apparatus and materials we are using in this practical. First of all, test tube stand, test tube holder, test tube stand, test tube holder, and then after dropper. Okay. So now
Yes.
my dear students, then we will move on further procedure. Okay. So means what is the procedure in simple language? I am telling you here we want a sorry six type of the substance, means six type of the metal or non-metal substance we are going to use. Okay, so first substance you note down, you make a table as like that, my dear girls. I'll show you here. You make a table as like that, but after I'll see this is a table. Just a minute, now, beta. See.
So the table we have to make.
You have to make this table, but first of all you today I am sending this whole practical in your group after the complete this lecture. Okay, and you have to make, and in next lecture you make the table, and then after you have to write in, we have to write this table, means we are going to fill this table. Okay, only just
Okay, sir.
see and check as like that you have to make the table. Got my point, sir? So first of all, magnesium Zb. Okay, now can you tell me? Now you identify properly this is metal or this is non-metal. Okay. So first is what? Magnesium. Magnesium is metal or non-metal? Magnesium is a metal or non-metal, dear? Hello, my dear students. Magnesium remain. Magnesium is a metal or non-metallic substance.
Metal.
Yes, very good, madam. Magnesium is a metal. Excellent. Then after aluminum, aluminum foil. Whenever you are taking any food, so now it is available in a foil paper. Why? Because of it's a maintain a hottest environment, or it's a keep to warm. Okay, it's keep to warm. That's why food are available, and they all are properly packed in for aluminum foil paper. So now can you tell me what is the aluminum, metal or non-metal?
Metal.
Metal.
Yes, very good. What's your name, beta?
What, sir?
Okay, what's your name?
Delhi, sir.
Yes, Delisha, very good. Now for the iron, iron, so it's a very non-compounds, means very non-objects, and it's also metal. Now charcoal powder. Charcoal powder is a metal or non-metallic? Charcoal powder, it's a metal or non-metallic substance, my dear girl.
Non-metal.
Non-metal.
Yes, very good, excellent, excellent. Okay. Now for the last, sulfur. Now, last is a sulfur. Sulfur is metal or non-metallic substance. So, what is this actually, my dear girl?
Non-metal.
Sulfur powder. What?
Non- Non-metal.
Yes, better can tell me.
Non-metal.
Non-metal.
Non-metallic. Exactly. Okay, very good. Okay. So now one by one, I am telling you all things. All. Okay. So now we have to find the details. Now we have to find the details about the special metal. You have to find the proper information about the special characteristics. Okay, now I'll give you first is what magnesium. First is magnesium. Okay, so who will find the information documentary about the metal? Means magnesium. Who will find the information about the magnesium? Can you tell me all? Hello. Can you tell me all who will find information or documentary about magnesium metal?
Okay, sir, I will.
Who?
Delisha.
Okay, Delisha. Okay. Beta, you have to make a project like 4 to 5 page. Okay, maximum 4 page. And what is a magnesium? Okay, and where we find, okay, and types and what is the use of magnesium, and how many amounts of magnesium are present in on our earth, okay, and how we find a magnesium method, okay, and how we identify. You note down this all topic, Delisha.
Okay, sir.
Take a book pen and then you note down the whole things better. Delisha and Tatis both are give a proper answer and give a all reply. Okay,
Okay,
now
sir,
I
can
am
you
presenting.
repeat?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
beta. Okay, okay. So, the Elisha, better not down this topic here. Magnesium, Magnesium, magnesium. Okay. So, introductions about magnesium. Small introduction means 4 to 5 lines, but proper. Okay. If you are using the internet, Google, so you can use better. So first is what is a magnesium, introduction about a magnesium, then where we find means कहाँ से मिलता है magnesium, and how many amounts of magnesium are present in our earth, how many amounts of how many amounts of magnesium are present in earth.
Okay, sir, written.
How many amounts of metals are present in earth, and then after dear Delisha, then after applications of magnesium means what is the use, application means what is the use of magnesium, understood all, and what is the
Yes.
application of magnesium. Okay, so you have to make a project like this work beta, and you have to send it me on, if possible, on tomorrow before 10 o'clock. So you send me beta. Okay?
We have to make a chart, no, sir?
No beta, yeah, no, project like,
Means in rough book.
yes, means in the book. Otherwise, you take out the one single page and you make information. Okay,
Okay.
if any photograph are you are present in, so it's better. Okay, beta. If any
Okay.
photograph, if any interesting things, okay, if beta, try to sending me tomorrow before uh, 10 o'clock, so I'll represent in front of the Parveen. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now okay, now who will take the other project? Valiant, or tell me who will take next project. Okay, you are not telling me, so I'm give you a project and you have to must be mandatory. You have to make this. So all girls, Sarah is there, but Sarah, why you are not replying, Sarah? I don't know. He's not replying. Daily is not replying, Sarah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sarah, you have to make. Sorry, you have to find the information about aluminum.
Okay.
What? एल्यूमिनियम, इट्स सोर्स, ऑक्यूपेशन, जितने भी मैंने टॉपिक्स दिए हुए हैं daily sharp, so you have to take a same topic. Okay, but you have a different elements, you have a different metal, it's the aluminum. Got my points all? And try to make on tomorrow before a 10 o'clock, means tomorrow 9 o'clock maximum. Okay, you have a whole day today, a whole day, 24 hours in your hand. Okay. Okay, now I'll show you one thing here. Yes, beta. What is this all? See, what is this all?
These all are collection of metals.
Collection
Collection
of
of
men.
metals. Okay, which type of the metals are present in this box?
Aluminium,
Just a
Sulfur,
minute, beta.
zinc, calcium,
Just a minute. Huh? Okay, so now can you tell me all? See, okay. Now, which type of the metals are present?
so we can't see your screen.
it's coming blur.
Okay, it's coming to blur better. Just a minute. Huh? I'll try to improve. Okay, so now it's coming proper. Now it's coming proper all.
Yes, sir. Now it's proper.
Okay, so now can you tell me which type of the things are present in a collection of metal? Which metal in this box means in this model?
Aluminium, iron, zinc,
Aluminum, antimony,
calcium, and
calcium, iron,
antimony,
tin,
uh,
Yes,
nickel,
yes.
sulfur,
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 zinc.
Okay, so now
calcium.
first of all, I was told you sulfur. Sulfur is non-metal. So why are present sulfur? Why present in this model? You have to give a proper answer, beta. You have to. It's not a proper, but try to give a answer. At least try to give answer. At least you have to speak. What is this? If you are say a wrong, no problem. But try to speak. What is this? Okay, metal are used for our body. Metal is are used for our body. Metal is used for our body. Yes or no? Obviously yes.
Yes.
Yes, obviously yes. Which kind of the metals? Which elements? Which metals we are daily eating or applying in our body? Iron.
Um,
Iron.
iron.
Okay. Iron and calcium. Calcium is not proper. What calcium is not a metal
Sir,
is not
excuse
metallic.
me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Your lecture is over.
Um, yeah,
Okay,
sir.
beta. But I know, but I am taking 5 minutes more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now, sir,
Yes, sir.
Sarafat sir,
Yes, Tajib sir.
stop the recording.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Okay, you want to see your science lab ball? See, this is your science.